Are you stuck with this annoying message? This app can't be opened because Apple cannot check it for malicious software. Don't worry, you're not alone, and yes, there's a super simple fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to bypass this error safely on macOS, whether you're using Ventura, Monterey, Big Sur, or even Sonoma. So don't skip a single second, let's fix it right now.
Instead of opening the app directly and getting that frustrating warning, go to Finder and locate the application manually. Now here's the trick. Hold down the Control key, then right-click the app and select Open. This simple step tells macOS that you trust the app, and it will let you open it without any more warnings.